Welcome to Forever. Forever Living Products was founded over 45 years ago by Rex Mon. He wanted to create a company that empowers people, regardless of their circumstances, to build a better life and to be in business for themselves. At Forever, we provide our customers with the highest quality health and wellness, personal care, and skincare products. We can deliver that quality because we own and operate the entire process, from the plants in the ground to the finished products, and even a distribution network that spans the globe. For instance, most of our products are aloe-based. Not only do we own and farm the ground the aloe grows in, but we own and operate our manufacturing facilities, the research and development, the quality control, and laboratories, and even the distribution channels for our products. And we don't stop there. We've been diligent about investing in new technologies and equipment to ensure we always offer innovative, high-quality products. Our product line spans all major health and beauty categories, including weight management, skincare, vitamins and supplements, personal care, and more. Our products are designed for everyone, and our Forever business owners are people just like you who have made a commitment to help others make healthier choices while building a business on their own terms to earn supplemental income. And there's no financial investment required. That's how our business works.
I am so grateful that I chose to do this business.
I am really glad that I choose Forever. It completely changed my life.
We reward you for sharing your enthusiasm for the things you love. The Forever Marketing Plan acknowledges your hard work with potential incentives, bonuses, and international travel based on how much time and effort you put into your business. And you'll get all the tools and support to help make it possible to build a thriving, sustainable business at your own pace. We sell our products in more than 160 countries, which allows you to build your team virtually anywhere. The Forever opportunity can be whatever you're willing to make it.